Okay guys, ever wanted an elegant way to showcase your partners or brand collaborations without a boring static logo strip? Well, this section adds a nice smooth scrolling effect to make it stand out. Today we're adding this Logo Bar Marquee section to your store. So let's not waste any more time, let's jump straight into it. Open your favorite browser and search for Shopify App Store. Click on the first link. This takes you straight to the official Shopify App Store. From here, you can install any app based on your needs. Right now, we're searching for Section Kit in the search bar. This is the app that makes building your store so much easier, genuinely. Open it and install it. The process takes just a few seconds, exactly like any other Shopify app. After installing, go to Explore Sections and search for SK Logo Bar Marquee number 2. You'll find this section here. Click on More Info and purchase it. All the details are listed right below if you want to read through them. I've already purchased this one though, so let's close this and click on My Sections instead. This is where your purchased sections live. Let me scroll down, and there's the section. Click on Customize, choose your favorite theme, and the section installs successfully. Now let's open it in Theme Customizer and give it a second to load. Once ready, click on Add Section and search for Logo, then choose that section. It'll be added instantly, and its customizable settings open up on the left side. Things like width, spacing, padding, size, margin, and quite a bit more. First, let's add a logo. Just click on any text, and its settings open up on the left side too, where I can add both text and a logo. I've already downloaded a few reference logos, so let's add them here. You can customize each logo the same way. After adding all the logos, let's click on the section itself, and I'll change the heading to Partners. If you want to reference your own partners or investors, this section works great, especially if you've collaborated with bigger companies. Let's scroll down and change the font style to Poppins, just like we do with every section. Right below that, you'll find padding, font size, and quite a few similar options, which you can adjust based on your own preference, but I won't be touching those right now. Below that, you'll also find the section's background color and text color, which you can change to match your store's theme. But honestly, this already looks great for my store, so I'll leave it as it is. If you found this tutorial helpful, drop a like and let me know in the comments if you run into any issues. I read every single one and I'm always happy to help.